Kegima omwanchi omurigereria nigo chiaragire chinsa isano na ibere ase biro binde tokumera na semesa ya amayena Ndizi TV elinde ngoerere na reyenyere ko bakagwateka kuri chingongo chonsi chense chinsemo cha Facebook na bagotonyera gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na bego chinsemo cha YouTube na bagotonyera gwitira Ndizi TV News chinsemo cha website na bagotonyera gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke omwanchi omurigereria ngo irali bageri gago kwarigania oikaranse oike elinde ngomanye nara yakorekanire elietariane Frida Kerubo na sechinsemo chebyorokereryo ni otochikonya ko tokubwaterana nere Joshua Auta ngwira nanda segekegeke ngomanye ayatikire. Kingo chaka kegima omwanchi omurigereria nigongo kumanyibuna omo bishop bye kanisa yege Catholic oyomanyakanite buna Dominic Kimengich nigo abaganire abakenya bonsi korandia omorembe chinga kechigali berera lya siasa ligendete kwene kigwa ase NCH ya Kenya bona niganyare ko bagako batechinga kechiga toligereti obochori obonene banyare ko bakwene ki obotoereru elinde kwene kibuna echisegi nchiranyara ko bachigotoka ase NCH ya Kenya ekiagera chisegi nigo chikonyara ko bachikoirania magendelero magega.
Wito wangu ni kwamba tuwe na uchaguzi wa amani, kwamba sisi kama wana Kenya tuna wajibu wa kuhakikisha kwamba tunafanya uchaguzi kwa njia ambayo kweli itatuletea sifa kwa sababu tutakuwa tumefanya uchaguzi wetu kwa amani tukiwa kama taifa moja. Ukitazama hapa tuko na mapadi wetu ambao wamekuja hapa na nia ya mkutano wetu pia ni kuangalia jinsi tutakavyoendelea kuombea amani, na tunapo mapadi wakiwa katika maparokia zao pia watakuwa wanaeneza injili ya amani, kwa sababu amani ni kipaji kutoka kwa Mwenyezi Mungu, na ndipo tumekuja kuomba, na pia ili sisi wenyewe tuweze kwenda kuwa wale ambao wanalete watu wetu na wasanya watu wetu ili wawe familia moja. Ndiyo
mwanchi omurigereria togosuka mutu nigongo kumanya asoro batironde buna omorwaneri wekero kyobo governor ime county ya Migori gwetera ekiama gia ODM oyokorukwa ajira ayako nigo bono agikeire gekoro kenyete ko bakegokorekana chinga kiare konyara ko bagakobekerwa egutwa chinga kecho nigo etiaga senyete ko bagekorutwa abo omusangerekanoye onyate ko bagogostarika bona niganyare ko bakagoteba einemero biri yaringikorwa ase abamerane baye nabo nigo
The person we know who is responsible for this is one of the candidates for governor, and he is acting in concert. He is acting in collaboration with the other gubernatorial candidates. The young man or the young people who are used in this occasion, we have identified positively one of them. That person is a resident of Ogik here in Suna West, and we know where that person is.
Omoteneneri wa mananigo se Rainforest oyokoro kwa Julius Nganga bonanigo aimurunganiri kobwatekana no kubutorwa kwemete ase egeka egetambe nigo bono atebirimna okobutoro kwemete nigo gokwiro gwa chigotumeka una chingo ase chikampuni chechichae onanigo aganiri eserikali ya Kenya koligia chinchera chingao echichira chikwane kibuna banyare koba chikampuni chechichae chenyere koba chigotwara obotumeki obongao.
The challenge is, of course, I think it's behavior change, communication. If you've been doing something in a particular way for so long, using wood fuel, why would you want to change? Currently, there's really no shortage per se, there's no crisis against wood fuel. So people are not really seeing the need for it on why they should have alternatives. But the more education that we are doing with our various partners, the change is coming as slowly as it is, but it's coming and change is coming. As much as they're talking about tea husbandry and for them to take care of their crop, 2 leaves and a bud, we want them to also to understand the use of or the importance of climate change regarding their tea business. So we've really been able to, through the project, investing in our field service and tea extension staff to understand climate change in relation to the tea business and why it's important for farmers to the transition now into briquette use, the tier 3, tier 4 improved cook stores?
Adoption obviously at household level is mainly on the cost of improved cooking stores. So I think, and this is where we probably need a lot of support, including government, if they could give subsidies so that more households can be able to buy the renewable energy facilities.
Hotigana nayo mwanchi umurigereria na gusika mutu nigongo kumanyibuna ekiombe kia abanyagitari imeyense ya Kenya bono nigo kiaganirie serikali ye county kulika abanyagitari abange abo asebare gukwana litkoria rero imeye county ya Kakamega chinga kibare gosioria omoroberi bokwena na amaliogo bosa nigo banyareko bagoteba okogania nkorororo ase okobwaterana sobokoleri obuya nabo igokwena na amaliogo ase chinga ki chibwenerete.
Sisi tunahakikisha ya kwamba tutaendelea kupanga na watu kama George, camp kama hizi tunawaletea madaktari wanawatibu, na nyinyi kazi yenu ni kuhakikisha kuwa serikali inawaandika hao madaktari na wahudumu wa afya, kuwalipa vyema na pia kuwaongeza katika waendelee katika training hapa.
As PSK, all we call for is proper policy placement and ensuring that the local manufacturers are able to produce the right amount of drugs with the right costs and with the right amounts. And people of Shinyalu, what we ask as PSK is for you to not only sit at home. Wacheni kukaa nyumbani ukingoja daktari, ukingoja mwili isikie vibaya. Mwili yako ni mashini ya Mungu. Enda anza kupimwa mapema.
We want every Kenyan to be able to access quality healthcare services without suffering catastrophic financial expenditure, and this can be done when we concentrate or when we focus on preventive medicine, and when we focus on preventing diseases from or preventing our people from getting.
Abaremi korwa ase county ya Trans Nzoia anene mono bali bagokora oburemi bwebituma bono nigo banyareko abakwemurungani kobwatikana na asara enene banyareko babakonyora korwa ase oburemi obwo bono nigo abande bemukiri egetambukero kyo gokora obutugi nabo igo gutigana amangana yoboremo elinde ko oburemi elinde kwegendereri ase amagimabo.
Na mimi ni mjumbe wa kwanza Trans Nzoia County. Vile vile niko na wadhamini wa hizi project zetu, na vile umeongea ni kweli. Mambo ya mahindi ambao tunalima kila mwaka, bei ya mahindi imeenda chini sana, na wajua sasa tukaona ya kwamba labda tuangalie njia nyingine ya kusaidia jamii hapa Trans Nzoia. Ndio nimeanzisha hii mambo ya zero grazing, na niko na milikula kama 8 hapa kwangu kwanza constituency, na nafurahia kwa sababu wakulima wengi wamekuungana na mimi ili tuanze sasa kuona kama naweza kutumia ng'ombe na maziwa ambao inaweza kuuzwa na tupate ajira kidogo kwa wakulima.
Abamenyi bensemo ya Busia bono nigo basabiro kubwaterana amona abanyanyimbo erinde gosokia abasalia ase chinsemecho chinga kicyo nigo abanyanyimbo banyareko babagusaba gukora emirimo yabo ase nchira endonge nabo igokwenekia abonchereri ngokora bale emirimo yabo ase chingo ika chinga kichiri kibwenerete.
Let us stand together. Let us ensure our traders, our community, our people are protected.
Ukipiga simu useme kuna probox imepita hapa, wataifuata na speed ya 180. Na ukisema kuna waizi wamevamia watu, wanasema mafuta hakuna.
The leaders must take responsibility. The government will choose it to protect our lives. Hawezi kutuambia funga maduka saa 1. Tunaweza fanya biashara mpaka saa 10 za usiku, ni juu yao kutulinda.
I buried one of my member who was shot by these hooligans who do not have mercy, and indeed I'm feeling that this time we asked the government and those who are in charge of security to make sure that the citizens in this country are living without fear.
Omwancho morigereria kurwa asorobotiro nigona ikere omoelia obwa amaya chinsa isano na ibira senchira yobwenge korendengo gwasaba tobasagoska tobasakonyegera guchikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mangeno yanyore asenchira yobwenge maga ich kamera sokone kibuna ebicha naboigelio gire gwikera sore asenchira engansu kigima no musubati petronira mukira tonya kwatoko bwaterana nere Joshua auta asechinse mochibiero kererio nanchiri tariane Frida Kerubo.